we pause this so I can see the video?
More. That's way too little.
We'll get it.
That's enough?
A little bit more. Keep on. Try
That
keep it
looks
together.
like glue.
Keep on. Almost there. Keep on.
Is she putting glue on there?
No.
That's paste.
Alright, that's good enough?
Get a little bit more.
A little bit more.
Is it reusable? Or just the tube itself?
Is that good?
Yeah, no. So we got to do two. Once that's out, we got to do two. That's perfect amount.
That's good, that's good.
I'm trying to make sure I don't. Yeah.
Beautiful, man.
Didn't know you
Do we need
smell like the
some idea?
baby hospital?
I do. Is it a compliment? I don't know.
Do we need to push it
That's
down?
really a
Because
compliment.
I can do that with my
Put that
gloves.
on there or push down.
Yeah, you.
If you forget to save something onto the hard drive, which is the long-term memory, it's out. Take it out. Yep. And then you put it in. And then it basically like your brain, if you forget something, it's basically your short-term memory, and that's basically what happens to the memory.
So it saves, although it's not completely saved?
Yeah, you can kind of say that. Like it's not fully saved. Like it's there, but it's not.
It's
It's
a way
there.
to find it. Yeah.
It's there, but if you power it off, like let's say if you go to sleep and you forget it, it's basically.
It's probably not gonna still be there.
Yeah. So like, if you save the game and if you don't save the game and you accidentally turn it off, it won't be there. It will restart you.
That's a beautiful.